Hey guys, welcome back to Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. I'm Dustin, and from the last video I told you about this gourd, and you're not going to believe what this is. I've got a neighbor over here. He has got a nursery that absolutely will put any business I've ever seen to shame. And Will's over there, he'll give me the grand tour, and he said this right here. I said, what is this? He said, let me show you. So let me show you. All right.
Can I open it?
Yep. Let's crack it open right here to start. Look at all those seeds. Now this is actually from a cucumber family, this gourd is. And crack it open, you can see the seeds coming out. And from here, you just kind of...
I'm not going to show you the inside yet.
You just get it. Check this out. Get through there and you peel it open.
I'm going to plant one of these seeds.
We should plant one of these seeds. Oh.
So here is what it looks like. It's inside. This is what it looks like inside. But not this shape. Let me put it back in.
Takes a little bit to peel.
What kind of skin is it?
It's just the outside of the gourd.
I'm going to go plant one.
Huh? Okay.
Yay!
Oh, great. Stop.
Plant away!
Now we're going to have gourds growing in the yard.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. I want
What are you
some.
talking about? All right, now go ahead and cut her off from there. All right.
You broke it again!
Broke it again. You can work on that one. All right, guys, check that out right there. That look familiar? It's got tons of seeds in it. Look at that. Get over here, make sure. That is a freaking loofah. I never knew that loofahs grew in the garden. I thought they were like sponges out of the ocean maybe or something like that. But no, some people eat these. Oh, I've been looking up stuff on loofahs. I guess if you get them early enough in their early life, they got a lot of meat in there. They cut them up, but you let them dry out and get them old, they get tough, and all these little fibers stay, and all the meat goes away and leaves the fiber exoskeleton in here. And all you do, peel it open, get all the seeds out, which are pretty easy to do, but there's a bunch of them. And you got a loofah. The loofah is what you use in the shower. Loofah. That's what it is. It's a gourd. But he said that there's a lot of uses for them. Quick, you're getting seeds all over the place. Here, on the table. Jeez, boy, give me that. And he said there's a lot of uses for them. So what I'm going to use them for is scraping and cleaning out my grills. I've been using. I always use these little wire brushes right here, but I'm starting to realize it's a bad idea to do. I'm starting to see a lot of these little metal fibers staying on my grates, and you know, if you put a hamburger down on there and that gets sucked, I mean, you're going to bite down into it. You're going to know it. But this right here, I'm telling you what, it is so coarse, and I believe this is going to last a long time. And so I'm gonna try to start using these to clean out my grill. Maybe I don't know, my Blackstone, scrape it off. But yeah, guys, it blew my mind when he showed me this. He said, yeah, that's a loofah, a gourd. Check it out. Let's cut it down the middle here. Quit making a mess, boy. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Any seeds? Yes!
You can see right here. And yeah, you can just take your time, go through all here, clean out all your little seeds there. Loofah. he said that he's been growing these for years, and I had no idea about it. And he says him and his wife actually use it. You know, you wash them off, and you can see if you rub it like this, you'll see all this little fibers coming off. But after you do that for a little while, they'll stop, and it'll just be absolutely ready to go. And I mean, you can just feel how coarse that is.
What is that?
You think this will get you clean? Watch this.
Ah! Got it. That hurts.
But yeah, guys, I had to make a video on this. I thought it was super cool, and something I never knew. Loofahs come from the garden, not the ocean. So yes, sir, pretty neat. Hey guys, actually, before I end this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fire up this pit boss here. We made pork chops the other day, and I remember I didn't clean it off because I wanted to test this out. I knew I was going to be making this video, so I'm going to fire this thing up, get a little hot. We're going to test this thing out and see how good it actually cleans this grill. All right, guys, here, check this one out. This one came out a little wider. This was the one I did earlier. You can see that one came out. This still got some seeds in it too. And you can see all the seeds I got out of this one right here. But yeah, you can tell the color difference. I don't know why some of them are darker than the other. I don't know. I just found out about them, so I couldn't answer any kind of questions like that. But what I can do is we're going to go ahead, go over here and try this grill. I got my grill heated up, 446 degrees. Let's go and see how good this thing will scrub it down. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Didn't do any damage to the loofah whatsoever. Just got it turned black. Didn't leave any metal fibers laying on here like that little brush does. And I'll tell you what, look at that. Even these little things right here I bought. Check these out right here. I bought these little things right here to scrub. And I don't know if I have a used one or not. I don't. But after you scrub that just as much as I did with this thing already is peeling up like this. It's just the fibers. I had no idea. Perfect. All right, guys, so there you have it. I 100% approve of this. I believe this is the only thing I'm going to use to clean my grills with now. I mean, the only reason that's just disformed is because I was pushing all that pressure on there. But you can see it didn't do anything to that loofah, and that's going to last a long time. And so I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, mine blown. If you're interested in it, I might have some seeds left over. Just send me a little message, and I might send you some seeds in a baggie if you're interested in trying to grow some out. I definitely think I'm going to grow some this year just for this reason. It's pretty wild, guys. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. God bless.